In this lesson, we're going to review the rank formula. The rank formula is used to show the ranking from high to low or low to high for any set of values. So this is useful if you're performing statistical analysis on a data set and you need to provide a ranking of how they compare against one another. So let's take a look at the formula explanation and then jump into an example. The formula is just equal to rank, open parentheses, number, comma, reference, comma, order. So the number is in reference to the number for which you want to find the rank. You can reference a cell here that contains a number. The reference is the array or table of cells that you want to reference to, and it's typically a list of numbers. Those numbers must be obviously numeric. It can't have letters in it. The order is the order about how you want to rank it. Do you want to rank it from highest to lowest in descending order, or do you want to rank it from lowest to highest in ascending order? Let's take a look at an example. In our example, we'll rank the sales amount as a dollar amount of the division of car dealerships. We will rank them in descending order, so from highest to lowest, and then we'll also rank them in ascending order from lowest to highest. And we do that within columns F and G in the below table. So as you can see in column D, we've got the division. In column E, we have the division's sales dollars, and beside it, we're ranking the statistics from highest to lowest in column F, and then lowest to highest in column G. Let's take a look at the formula in cell F26 to see how we perform the descending rank. So the formula is equals rank, and then we selected the value for cell E26, which is the value that we want to rank. We actually want to rank all of the values, but we're starting with the value that's right next to the formula, so E26, and then we select the entire data table, that's the reference table for the sales amount, and then the order that we choose is 0 because we want it to be in descending order. If we put a 1, it would be in ascending order, and as you can see in cell G26, it's in ascending order because we put a 1. So what does this mean? Well, this means that Division 1 with $1 million of sales has the 8th highest amount of sales compared to the rest of the population or divisions. If we were to rank it in ascending order, it actually has 5th place because it is the 5th lowest amount of sales dollars. Let's take a look at another example, Division 4. Division 4, we apply the same formula with a 0 for the order in column F and then a 1 for the order in column G. So as we can see, it returns a result of 12 in cell F29, which suggests it has the 12th highest amount of sales. As you can see, it only has $876,000 of sales, and that's lower than all of the other divisions, and therefore it has the 12th highest. It also has the first lowest amount of sales across all divisions because it is the lowest. 876 is lower than all of the other sales dollars produced by the other divisions. So this is a handy formula both for ascending and descending ranks depending on what kind of analysis you want to perform. You don't have to manually go through all of the data or sort it and then put a rank beside it. You can just use the rank formula to be able to compute their respective ranks against each other.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.